So this is the other side of my farm. This is my farm under cleaning process is going on. All the natural herbs, plants and beautiful things are there. It's a sandy area, and this is a riverlet, and there the river becomes deeper, and this is the bank of a river. I'm going to develop it. Here we can put hammocks and you can come and sleep, relax, chill. So this area is so relaxing. This is Chui Mui. This is Chui Mui. Chui Mui. Chui Mui. Chui Mui. And this is river. So peace, calm, beautiful. Lots of fish. Tiny fish will come and do your pedicure. Small island kind of place with some crabs, tiny fish, serene, natural, picturesque, peaceful, heavenly.